Hello students, today's topic is linear differential equations of first order. Okay. Linear differential equation. See the definition. An equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x are continuous functions of x, is called a linear differential equation of first order in y. It's called a linear differential equation of first order in y. Its general solution is given by y into if is equal to integral q of x into if dx plus c, where c is arbitrary constant, where if means integrating factor, is equal to e power integral p of x dx. This is the general solution for linear equation. Y into if equal to integral q of x into if dx plus c, where if is e power integral p of x dx. Okay. Similarly, a linear differential equation of first order in x is given by linear differential equation of first order in x is dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y, where p of y and q of y are continuous functions of y. Okay, and its general solution is x into if means integrating factor, is equal to integral q of y into if dy plus c. Okay, where the integrating factor is e power integral p of y dy. This is the general solution for a linear differential equation of first order in x. Okay, problems. See the first one. Solve cos square x divided by dx plus y is equal to tan x. See the solution. First, dividing throughout this equation by cos square x. Dividing by cos square x. So get dy by dx plus 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Secant square x into y is equal to tan x into secant square x. Okay. Now this is a linear differential equation of first order in y. This is a linear differential equation of first order in y of the form, comparing with the standard form, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p of x is equal to, what is p of x here? P of x is secant square x and q of x is tan x secant square x. Now first find the integrating factor, that is e power integral p of x dx is equal to e power integral, what is p of x here? Secant square x. E power integral secant square x is equal to e power tan x. Integral secant square x is tan x. The integrating factor is e power tan x. The general solution of given differential equation is given equation or given differential equation is y into if is equal to integral q of x into if dx plus c. This is the general solution for linear equation. Okay, that is y into what is the if here? E power tan x is equal to integral q of x is tan x into secant square x into if is e power tan x dx plus c. Okay. So tan x equal to t, then secant square x dx is equal to dt. Then this becomes integral tan x is t, e power t, e power tan x is e power t, secant square x dx is dt, integral t e power dt plus c. Now that integral t e power t is e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Here t is tan x is equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay, see the next problem. Solve dy by dx plus y minus 1 into cos x is equal to e power minus sin x into cos square x. See the solution. A given differential equation can be written as dy by dx plus y into cos x or cos x into y is equal to e power minus sin x cos square x plus cos x. Okay. Now this is a linear differential equation in y. This is a linear differential equation of first order in y. Okay. Here p of x equal to p of x is y coefficient, that is cos x, and q of x is RHS function of x, that is e power minus sin x cos square x plus cos x. Okay. Integrating factor, that is e power integral p of x dx is equal to e power integral, what is p of x? Cos x, integral cos x dx is equal to e power sin x, since integral cos x is sin x. Okay, this is the integrating factor. Therefore, the general solution of given differential equation is y into if is equal to integral q of x into if dx plus c. Okay, that is y into what is if here? E power sin x is equal to integral what is q of x? That is e power minus sin x cos square x plus cos x into integrating factor is e power sin x dx plus c. That is equal to integral multiplying by e power sin x, this becomes integral cos square x e power sin x into e power minus sin x, e power 0 is 1 plus cos x e power sin x dx plus c. That is equal to integral cos square x dx plus integral e power sin x cos x dx plus c. Okay, is equal to integral cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx plus here put sin x is t, then cos x dx is dt. Okay, this becomes e power t dt plus c. Put sin x is sin x equal to t, then sin x derivative cos x dx is dt. Okay, now its integration is 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx is x plus integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus integral e power t is e power t plus c. That is y e power sin x is equal to half into x plus sin 2x by 2 plus e power t is e power sin x, t is sin x plus c. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay, see the next problem. Solve x log x divided by dx plus y is equal to 2 log x. See the solution. First, dividing throughout this by x log x. Dividing this equation by x log x. So you get dy by dx plus y by x log x is equal to 2 by x, since log x cancel. Now this is a linear differential equation of first order in y. Okay? This is a linear differential equation of first order in y. Where p of x equal to, what is p of x here? That is y coefficient, 1 by x log x. And q of x, RHS function of x, that is 2 by x. What is the integrating factor for the linear equation? IF is equal to e power integral p of x dx is equal to e power integral p of x is 1 by x log x dx. It is equal to, put log x is t, put log x equal to t, implies 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Okay, then this becomes e power integral 1 by t dt. Okay, that is equal to e power log t. E power until 1 by t is log t. E power log t is t. What is t here? T equal to log x. Therefore, the integrating factor is log x. Okay. Now the general solution of given differential equation is, the general solution of given equation is y into if is equal to integral q of x into if dx plus c. Okay, what is if here? Y into if is log x. Y log x is equal to integral q of x is 2 by x. Q of x is 2 by x into if is log x dx plus c. Again put log x is t. Log x equal to t, implies 1 by x dx is dt. Then this becomes 2t dt. 2 into log x is t into 1 by x dx is dt. Okay. Integral 2t dt is t square plus c. But what is t here? Log x. Log x whole square plus c. This is the required solution. Okay. Next problem. Solve 1 plus y square into dx is equal to tan inverse y minus x into dy. See the solution. This can be written as a given equation can be written as dx by dy is equal to tan inverse y minus x all by 1 plus y square. Dx by dy equal to tan inverse y minus x by 1 plus y square. That is dx by dy plus x by 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay, this can be written as x by dy plus x by 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. This is a linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation of first order in x. This is a linear equation in x of the form dx by dy plus P of y into x is equal to Q of y, where what is P of y here? P of y is x quotient, that is 1 by 1 plus y square, and Q of y is RHS function of y, that is tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay. Now the integrating factor is e power integral P of y dy, that is equal to e power integral, what is P of y? 1 by 1 plus y square dy. Integral 1 by 1 plus y square is tan inverse y, e power tan inverse y. This is integrating factor. The general solution is the general solution of the given differential equation. It is linear equation in x. Hence the general solution is x into if is equal to integral q of y into if dy plus c. Okay. That is x into, what is if here? E power tan inverse y is equal to integral, what is q of y? Tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into if is e power tan inverse y dy plus c. Put tan inverse y is t, tan inverse y equal to t. Then its derivative 1 by 1 plus y square dy is equal to dt. Okay. Then this integration becomes, here tan inverse y is t, t e power t 1 by 1 plus y square dy equal to dt. Okay. Integral t e power t dt plus c. You know that integral t e power t is e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Okay. That is equal to e power, what is t here? Tan inverse y into tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. Okay. X e power tan inverse y equal to e power x e power tan inverse y is equal to e power tan inverse y into tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. Or if you cancel e power tan inverse y on both sides, x equal to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c by e power tan inverse y, or c e power minus tan inverse y. This is the required solution. Okay. Next problem. Solve x plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. See the solution. This equation can be written as dx by dy is equal to x plus 2y cube by y. Okay, that is dx by dy minus x by y is equal to 2y square. Okay. Now this is a linear differential equation in x. This is a linear differential equation in x. First order. Okay. Here p of y is equal to minus 1 by y and q of y is 2y square. P of y means x function, that is minus 1 by y. Q of y is RHS function of y. Okay. Now the integrating factor is e power integral P of y dy. That equal to e power integral, what is P of y? Minus 1 by y. Integral minus 1 by y is equal to e power minus log y is equal to e power log y inverse is equal to y inverse, means 1 by y. The integrating factor is 1 by y. The general solution of given differential equation is x into if, since this is linear in x, okay, x into if integral q of y into if dy plus c. X into, what is if? If is 1 by y. Integral q of y is 2y square into integrating factor is 1 by y dy plus c. That is equal to integral 2y dy plus c. Y cancel here. Integral 2y is y square plus c. Therefore, the general solution is x by y equal to y square plus c, or x equal to y cube plus cy. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay, students, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.